How to add a payment method in Uber. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually add a payment method to your Uber account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add a payment method such as a bank account or credit or debit card or PayPal account, it's very simple to do that. All you have to do is of course go ahead and then simply launch the Uber application. Then tap on the account icon from the bottom right of the screen, and then you'll see your information where you have to basically go to the wallet tab over here. So once you go to the wallet tab, you can see Uber Cash and so on, but we're not going to use Uber Cash in this case. If you want, you can add some Uber Cash as well, but in this case what I'll do is I'll just select add payment method. So under payment method you have different options, right? So you'll basically see different type of options such as PayPal, credit or debit card, or your gift card. In this case I'll just select credit or debit card, and then you simply have to enter your card account's number and then your expiration date of the card as well as the CVV, or sometimes also referred as CVC, and then you have to enter your country as well as the nickname, and then hit the next option in order to successfully go ahead and then add your payment method. Now if you have a gift card though, you can simply select gift card option over here, and you can simply enter the gift card code in order to redeem it and then use it as your Uber balance. And that's all it takes to add a payment method on Uber. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.